After you've completed routing a line and it's been reviewed and confirmed, it's ready for construction. However, we don't want other designers to modify the line once it's issued. To prevent this, we can use the lock line feature. Let's open Chapter 10 under Plant 3D Drawings and load the 10_ model. Next, locate line 200. Using the Add to Selection option, select the entire line. Right-click and choose Part Hiding Isolation, then isolate selected parts. This isolates the line that we'll be working on. Assuming the line is finished, there are several ways to secure it before issuing an isometric. If you need to prevent parts of the line from being moved, especially because it connects to pumps that should not change location, as those pump positions have been finalized and may be referenced in many other drawings, you can lock the pipe in place. To demonstrate, I'll highlight the first piping run connected to pump C. With the Move Part grip activated, if I attempt to drag the pipe, you'll see it can still be moved. But we don't want that to happen, so I'll undo this action. To fix this, we can lock components in place, preventing any unwanted movement. When I hover over the line, you'll notice various grips that allow you to move, adjust elevation, or create branches along the line. However, we'll prevent any accidental changes to the line's position by locking it. To do this, again using the Add to Selection option to select the entire line and right-click, then choose Lock Unlock Placement. When the line is locked, small red padlocks will appear. If I try to change the pipe's elevation or move it, nothing happens. It remains locked in place. However, you can still make changes within the line, like adding branches or valves. To unlock the line, right-click and select Unlock Connected Parts. This will allow modifications once again. Now, let's see what happens when we issue the line. If we're satisfied with the final result, we'll go to Production ISO and select Final ANSI C. Choose line 200, adjust the settings if necessary, and click OK to generate the ISOs. After the isometric drawings are created, we move to the Project Manager and check the Final ANSI C tab, where we'll see the line with a little plus sign under it, indicating the drawings were produced. Once the drawings are finalized, right-click the line number and choose Lock Line and Issue. A padlock will appear to show the line is locked and cannot be modified. Attempting to make any modifications now will show that no grips are available and the line is locked down completely. This ensures no one can alter the line or add components. It's an essential safeguard for team collaboration, especially on large projects with multiple contributors. It ensures the integrity of the design, preventing accidental changes after the line is finalized.